friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a step-by-step walkthrough of how I am going to make my 2023 vision board. I always tell myself I'm going to make vision boards and then I never get around to it. But I've been using Canva a lot to make digital products recently, so I decided that I'm going to make a vision board on Canva and use it as the backdrop for my desktop screen. Now, obviously, you can do this with magazines and glue sticks or print out pictures and cut them out and put them on a poster board. I'm just not super crafty with my hands like that, and I'd rather do it digitally, which I feel like a lot of people these days would rather have it on like their desktop or their cell phone. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into it and get my screen shared. All right, so I believe my screen is shared now. You will see that I do have Canva open. This is what I'm going to be using to make the digital 2023 vision board. If you don't have Canva, it's really easy just to make an account. You can sign up for the free account, no need to spend any money. And yeah, so I'm gonna go into create a design here, and I'm going to type, desktop wallpaper is right there, but you can search whatever you want. So I'm going to select desktop wallpaper. And then I like Canva for doing stuff like this because they have a bunch of templates right here that you can use. So say you wanted to, I don't know, use this one. It is very Pinteresty and everything. And then these are just photo frames. So you can click on them and, so if I hit delete, there's a photo there and I can put my own photo in. I'm just gonna put that back because I actually don't know if I want to use that one. But anyways, so to get the photos for what we're gonna use, I'm gonna go into Pinterest. And as most of us do, use Pinterest for inspiration. I'm going to go to home feed. And then now what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna think, okay, so what am I manifesting and what do I want this vision board to look like and represent for my 2023? Like, what are your goals, etc., etc. So what I'm planning on doing in 2023 is growing my small business, hopefully having real estate take off as well, and I would like to have passive income, save money. So it's focusing on money, like a glow up. I would love to redo my wardrobe, be like that boss girl vibe, So that's what I'm going for. I'm a pretty neutral aesthetic person. So yeah, so I'm just gonna type in here, let's just go boss babe quotes, that's a good one. Boss girl aesthetic. And look at these lovely ladies. What a nice aesthetic. So I am going to go through my Pinterest, grab a handful of photos, and then I'll be back to show you how I put them on my vision board. Okay, so I am back. I probably took about 5-10 minutes to go through and grab some photos on Pinterest. And I'm gonna pull those up here. So they're all in my downloads, and all you have to do is select them all, drag and drop. And then they will all load into your little sidebar there. So all of the images or videos, although I don't think you can use videos for vision boards. Anywho, maybe you can, I don't know. So I have a mix here of health and fitness, quotes, boss babes. I have some nice desks and some nice office spaces because ideally, if things go really well this year, I could get a little studio and I could make it my own office space for all of my work, since I do work from home a lot and it is difficult to work when my boyfriend's in the house too, because we live in a slightly older place, so the walls are very thin. So I'll be in the office and adjacent to that is the living room, and so all I can hear is football. And it gets slightly distracting. So now back to the design. I'm going to pick, this one looks fun because there's a bunch of stuff. Let's just go with this one. So it loads, and look, they even have little text and stuff. I'm going to delete the text though, and then I'm just going to click and delete. Oh, they didn't even have frames in this one. Oh, look at that. So I'm just actually just gonna delete all these, I guess. Yeah, and then I'm gonna pick a backdrop. So let's go to elements. I wanna go to minimalistic background. I'm gonna go to photos and see all, they're all very pretty. You can do whatever vibe you kind of want, but I don't even know if I like any of these. I don't want to pick a backdrop. Let's go back to designs. Screw that. Let's do this one. So this one has photo templates that you can use, but if you don't want to use those, you can actually just go into elements here and look up photo frames. Oh, let's go to frames. Nope, the graphics. There you go. And you can go to picture frames, but nope. What the heck? Frames. There we go. Just type in frames. And then, you know, you can add whatever you want. And all of these, you just drag and drop photos. So if we go to some of the uploads, I'm actually going to erase that and probably just put like a quote in there. So we're gonna go to her. So you wanna edit it. That one doesn't edit. So we're gonna leave that there. Let's do some self-care up here. Like shuffle stuff around. I have a lot of offices in here. I just have really big goals for getting getting an office, which is hence the keys there. I'm gonna put this girl's outfit, move this one up there. And then we're going to paste another one. Let's move this here. So it's pretty easy just to drag, drop, alter the position. Let's do this girl. She has very nice abs. But so say I wanted to send it backwards, you can go position and then two back, which will send it all the way back, or you can just go backwards, and kind of figure stuff out. I want to do that, yeah. Okay, and then I need one more. We're gonna put it straight, and we're going to put that in here, and we're going to edit it up to this. And I don't know, I think I'm just gonna leave it at that. And then obviously you just share, and then you can download, save it as PNG, download. And then I'm just gonna go back into my downloads here, and we can set it as our desktop. Untitled design, I should probably title that. Set desktop picture. So we've set it. I have a bunch of stuff on my desktop, so you're warned that it's not gonna look aesthetic. One of my goals for this week is to clean that up. So close, and then look at that. How motivating is that? Well, despite all of the random stuff on it, but yeah. So pretty much how I made my 2023 vision board. I just did it with you guys. I think that's gonna be probably for the first quarter, and then I'm probably gonna switch it up and like revamp it depending on my different goals. But I do think it's really important to have a vision board, something to look at visually every single day. A lot of us are visual beings, and I definitely am. I love watching those beautiful, you know, aesthetic, and they're just girl bosses and they're go, go, go. And yeah, all right guys, so that is how I made my 2023 digital vision board. I hope it was helpful, and I hope maybe it gave you a little insight into Canva, why I love it so much. It's super easy. That probably took 20 minutes maybe, but as I was filming also, I say take a night. I would take a whole night, look on Pinterest, find your, or even like screenshot Instagram photos, and you can put any photo in there that you want. You can upload all of your photos, and then it's a private 2023 vision board. Nobody has to know what you're looking at. And it can just motivate you to keep going towards your goals. I know it's like day 5 of January and I feel exhausted, kind of defeated already, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm I'm implementing the I'm a lucky girl syndrome. So if you haven't heard about that yet, the mantra is I'm the luckiest girl in the world. Everything I ever want comes to me with ease. And I'm just open to accepting all of the new opportunities that 2023 will bring. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry, it's a little bit rambly, but they will get better as I keep making them. I am looking forward to making a few more this month about Canva tips and tricks, and maybe some digital product tips and tricks. Oh my goodness, freaking tongue twisters. On how to, maybe some like side hustles, extra money, earn income, etc. So leave any video requests down below, and yeah, I will see you next week.